The Nature Channel.
Hello everybody, it's me, your jungle explorer. Today we're going to be exploring the jungle. As you can see, this is found naturally in the jungle, and today we're going to be trying to find some very amazing animals and plants. Here we are finding a natural formation of sand, natural formation, and these plastic things growing out of the ground. So now let's go and see if we can find our first animal. Oh my god. What is this? Is he climbing the tree? No, what is he doing? What the heck? Oh shoot, I think he sees me. Wow. That must be a wild, like, hippopotamus. Well, look at that formation. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Oh shoot, I think he sees me. Gotta go move on. Alright. Natural hoses. Some very cool plastic. And I think I heard a very funny noise from that animal. Alright, we've got to get away from that creature. Right, let's explore. A natural formed potty basket. He's very aggressive right now. Here we go. I'm very nervous to explore that area over there. Oh shit. What is this? What is this? Let's see if we can get a better view of this wild creature. Oh shit. Did you see his way? He sees me! Oh. Alright, I'm hiding behind this wooden log. Oh god, he's behind me! I'm getting surrounded! I'm getting I think I've lost them. They're slowly walking away. Alright. Next. Oh my god. Can that really play? A UPS truck? Wow, that's pretty cool. Wait. Oh shoot. What's this over here? What is this animal? Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!